How to get Etsy working promo code. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. In order to get Etsy working promo code, start by opening a browser of your choice and searching for the coupons on CouponFollow or www.couponfollow.com, and there you will discover a wide range of offers, deals, and coupons from various platforms. Look for the Etsy promo code by clicking on the search icon at the top of the right corner of the page, and then enter Etsy and hit enter and proceed with the search. Etsy is a globally recognized online marketplace that connects millions of buyers with independent sellers, offering a diverse selection of the handmade, vintage, and unique goods. It serves as a fantastic platform for individuals to showcase their craftsmanship and engage with the discerning shoppers worldwide. Explore the numerous coupon offers available on Etsy.com, where you will encounter a dialog box prompting you to receive Etsy coupons instantly by entering your email address and clicking on Get Alerts. This way, you will receive an email whenever there is a new offer or coupon related to Etsy, eliminating the need to search for coupons manually. To obtain a code, click on the details for more information and then copy the code, and remember to paste it during checkout after making a purchase. For immediate use, click on Redeem at Etsy, which will direct you to the homepage, and select an item to purchase and apply the promo code you copied earlier. That concludes this video guide. Thank you for watching and for your continued support. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.